Hi there, students. Moribund. Okay, moribund is an adjective. We could have the adverb moribundly, and even a noun, moribundity or moribundness. I think the noun's pretty uncommon though. Okay, if something is moribund, it's about to die. Yeah? The moribund animal looked up at me. Yeah, or a person who's at the point of death. They haven't died yet, but they're about to die. Okay, and this is the basic meaning of moribund. But then we also use moribund to mean about to become obsolete. So I guess the fixed telephone is certainly becoming more and more moribund. Or maybe you could have moribund customs that are at the point of disappearing. Yeah, and then we also use moribund, meaning something that's in terminal decline. It's something that doesn't have any life. Yeah, it's not doing very well. So the stock market is extremely moribund at the moment. Okay, it doesn't have any life to it. It's in very bad condition. So the moribund economy, here it doesn't say it's going to die, but it's just in a very weak condition. It's standing still. It's not moving. It's stagnant without force or vitality. Yeah, so moribund, something that's dying. He looked at me moribundly. Yeah, you could use it like that. The moribund techniques that our forefathers used to use. Yeah, there are many professions that have become moribund. And then something moribund, something that has no life force left. It's not very strong. Yeah. So I don't know, the moribund spending power of the normal individual. Okay, so moribund, in a state near death, on the verge of extinction, or in stagnation. Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, I get I used to get the feeling that perhaps some of the minor political parties are becoming moribund. I think the UKIP is moribund because effectively the UK has now left the EU, and therefore its raison d'être, its reason to be, no longer exists. Yeah, I think very often though we refer to the economy as moribund, stagnant, not moving. Yeah, but moribund. So an organisation that's not active or not successful. Yeah, a moribund company. Yeah, it's not moving on. The moribund market. Yeah, it's not going anywhere, or something that's going out of fashion. Moribund customs, moribund languages, moribund ways of life. Oh, this actually reminds me of the song "Moribund the Burgermeister" by Peter Gabriel, who's I quite like him. I think he's quite good. Okay, Moribund the Burgermeister. Have a look at it. Okay, and so moribund. Formality. This word sounds rather literary. Although I think you could use it. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. I think better for something semi-formal. Informally dying, stagnant, not moving, something like that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French moribund, moribund, which means moribund, from the Latin moribundus, yeah, meaning dying or moribund, yeah, or a fatal wound or something like that, yeah. Morior, to die, and bundus is an activity, Yeah, so moribund, the activity of dying itself. Yeah, the bundus is like your ing, giving it um, a present participle, so moribund, and that's the idea. The bund is just ing. Okay, so moribund, something that's dying, something that's stagnant and not changing, something that's being superseded and about to disappear. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Moribund.